Kumusta naman kayo dyan? And for today's episode, we are going to do a house decor, which is this. This is a glass cloche dome. We are going to fill it in with dried flowers and such. Basta, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it. So anyway, guys, I thought of this first when I saw this glass dome at Wilcon Depot. It was on sale. I got 2 of them and one in a smaller size, like this size, I think. I thought of doing it with dried flowers kasi may mga nakikita ko on Pinterest ideas on how to do it. I found inspirations there. So, nag-order ako through Shopee for the dried flowers. Then, just your usual supplies lang na mahahanap nyo. I'm sure mahahanap nyo sa bookstores. Those are what you're just gonna need, which is I am going to show you later. Okay, so hey guys, we are back and we are going to do a little project for today. What we're going to need is this glass cloche dome. I got this from Wilcon Depot. It was on sale. May mas maliit din na size niyan, but I decided to use the biggest one for this project para mas madaming dried flowers na mapasok. So we are also going to need these styrofoam blocks that I just cut out from those styrofoam that comes with the shipping boxes. So yan siya, I just cut out it with the blade to form cubes. So yan yung ilalagay natin sa loob, which is gagamitin natin para dyan papasok or itutusok yung mga dried flowers. So we're also going to need a glue gun kasi i-glue gun natin siya dyan. And then some scissors to cut out the stems. Of course, yung mga dried flowers natin. So I'm not really sure if I really picked out a color scheme, but ito yung mga nagustuhan ko kasi. So, yan yung mga pinili ko. And isasama ko na lang din yung mga dried flowers na nandun sa walk-in closet since konti lang kasi din siya. So, I'll just use it for fillers if ever na makulangan yung dried flowers. So, let's start! messy kasi first time ko talaga I mean, it's really the first time I did floral arrangements. So this is how it looks like on the 360 tayo. There you go. So that's the glass. It has a wooden, parang anong tawag dito? Basta bottom part niya, yun na yun. I'm so bad at naming mga stuff. So ayan, just a bottom part na lang. Wooden siya. So it's with the glass dome. So that's how it looks like. Those are the dried flowers inside na I just randomly make tusok-tusok everything inside the styro. I hope you guys are gonna like this. I don't know if it's really a tutorial or I'm just gonna show you guys how I did it so you can get ideas, or if you want to do this as well, please share it with me. So I think that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me. Don't forget to please subscribe and hit that like button for this video, and of course watch our other videos as well if wala kayong magawa. So anyway, thank you so much, guys, and comment down below what do you think of this glass dome. Would you like to try it, or everything in the description box. I will put all the details on where I got them and the links and everything. So thank you so much, guys. Keep safe. Thank you.